from that place. When skilled friends, I get that. Next place them pray for we are the.
Yeah, man, go on the road, man. You.
Me cut them off clean. Them sell your own for $1 kind. You with a go wicked when I feed them time. No deal. Me know them are no clean, so me cut them off clean. Them sell your own for $1 kind. No make them trick you with them pretty smile. Them want see you lay down in a car for them. No want not no good for you. No. 6'6" under the dirt. Them want see a bone them rotten.
Jamaica Yard Life more fun about early this morning.
It easy, you know? Him boy fuck off the land done already. Yeah, man. Love yard, man. Trust me. Hard there. It's a blessing. Woo!
Never do, yeah. It's not the right thing to do. How you fit do that? Never do, no. It's just the wrong thing to do. Never you give up on Jah, King of Kings. Jah will never give up on you. Just have a little faith in Jah. Jah will be there for you.
Get out there and keep doing the right thing, man. And remember, walk with the Most High every time.